Welcome to a London studio flat tour. This video is definitely a long time coming. I've been postponing it, I've been procrastinating filming it, and we got to a point that it's pretty much now or never. If you guys seen any of my other videos or vlogs, you would know that we're in the process of buying a 2-bedroom apartment in London, and things are moving kind of fast to the point that we could literally exchange any day now. So I figure I'll show you guys how our little studio flat tour looks like before we pack everything. So this is what £1,250 can get you in London. We've been living in the studio flat for like 3 years now. It's me and my boyfriend, so the space does feel rather small and we do have a lot of stuff, but it does serve us well and it definitely deserves a tour. Starting in this little entryway, the main door is indeed behind me, and you can see the entirety of the studio flat from here. So let me show you what that looks like. Over on this side we got our electrical cabinet, which I've definitely decorated very cute and girly, but it's actually a very functional cabinet. And in the one over here there's our boiler, which if you guys follow the old boiler saga, you would know that our initial boiler broke, and so they had to put a new one on, and the landlord also ended up doing some like electrical works throughout the house, so we got some new heaters as well, which were great during the winter month. But the boiler originally was exposed and that bothered me so much, but thank goodness it got covered up and now it looks so much better. And also this Loki turned into an extra cabinet for storage. It's definitely very messy now, but with living in a studio flat you definitely take advantage of any possible space you can find. Here's our dining little area. It's in front of this massive window. I usually have flowers in this vase, but oh well. Then here's our kitchen. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. I did a whole pantry makeover where I did show the kitchen. Also, if you've seen any of my vlogs, I'm pretty sure you've seen this background already, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite cozy. I would bore you and go through all the different cabinets, but I'm not gonna lie, they're very messy at the minute. Again, there's a whole video about my pantry makeover where they look pretty neat, so I'm gonna link that down below in case you're interested. Then this is our lounge area. We've got our teeny tiny sofa with 2 massive pillows, some coffee tables, and then this art wall. You guys have probably seen me DIY it. It's still one of my favorite parts of the flat. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. As you can tell though, our bed is also up there. We have a bunker bed, I guess, type of situation, which is definitely its downside, but it's great because it means the whole underbed area is free and we are indeed utilizing it. I think you should be able to see the bed frame better from this angle. Again, on this side over here there's our couch, and then on this side this is the wardrobe, which again I'm not gonna go through because, not gonna lie, it's quite messy. Also, since we were not able to use a regular nightstand, we ended up buying these cloud baskets and they ended up working perfectly. I mean, they do slide right on there. If we keep walking down this corridor bit, we get to the underbed area. It is quite dark down here. I did install some lights at some point, but unfortunately they did die on me and they no longer work. But as you can tell, our drawers is down here. We've got all our sweaters and stuff. My wardrobe is also behind, and then we got this little unit on this side that we use for storage. We got my junk journals just over there, and then a few more decor pieces, my boyfriend watches. Second here are my pink boxes, which definitely served me well. They've been with me throughout my whole journey in London, so probably like around 8 years. And then lastly, it's gonna be very hard to tell, but we got my amp and then a few books as well. I love what I did with the wall behind me. I did share the vlog of me putting this whole wall up, so definitely check that out if you're interested. I think it's functional and beautiful at the same time, and we got more storage underneath as well. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did found this little bench in the street, and also these baskets and those IKEA containers, and they've been such good life savior. I mean, yes, looking maximizes storage by 100%. We also do have our record player and some records on this side. And then since we're here, I thought I'll share with you guys these little corner as well. We've got our full-length mirror behind. You guys have seen it in so many vlogs. I've shared all my outfits in there. And this is also the setup that I usually have while vlogging. I would put my camera on this little step and like face this direction, just like that. And indeed, this is how we get to the bed. And then this door behind me leads to the bathroom. I'm pretty sure you guys will be familiar with this place from many vlogs and videos that I filmed in here, but I'm low-key obsessed with how everything turned out. I feel like I've been procrastinating filming this video also because I wanted to get the flat to a point where it was like 100% done, and I definitely realized it's never gonna be 100% done, but if there's something that got pretty close to being done, it's this bathroom. I mean, how cute are my little minis up on the shelf? We do have one more room to go through. The way this bathroom is built is that our shower and our sink are in this one box, and then the toilet is just through that door, which, let me tell you, is something that I will definitely miss because it was so convenient. And here's the toilet. Nothing too exciting. I did accidentally stained this little curtain with some bleach, so that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So here you have it. This is how our studio looks like. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite spot and why. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I walked away the way I've done before.